Hi guys! So, we're just going to try to make burgers and cheese. So, we have here the cream cheese and the butter and the cheese whiz. And then we also have the herbs. We have basil leaves, parsley, and then we have the eto.
What's the app?
Garlic powder. Yan,
And the
isa na lang.
And the daughter.
And the daughter. So, natanggal na namin to sa ref kanina para malumambot na siya. So, isang block yung gagamitin natin na
Wait,
cream
I'm gonna wash
cheese.
this properly.
So, ayan. Pasensya na sa kalat kasi nagliligpit ako at saka naglalaba. Tsaka sa itsura kasi nasa bahay lang naman. So, nakikita ko to sa feed namin sa Facebook at saka sa TikTok. So, we're just gonna try doing this as well.
Yeah,
Ayan
wash it
siya.
properly.
And then, huwag nyo na ako i-judge kung kinakamay ko siya kasi kami lang naman din ang kakain nito. So, meron lang tayong Magnolia cream cheese and Magnolia gold butter salted.
This cream cheese.
Half siya. Or yung isang stick lang. Ayan. So, kanina, naghahanap kami ng Ritz biscuit sa grocery. Wala kaming nakita. So,
Can I mix it? I want to mix it.
ayan. So,
You can't even mix it.
we're just gonna mix everything all together.
What if you microwaved it first?
No. Ano na yun eh. And then, ayan.
Just
Mix. O, i-mix mo siya.
Get out.
Kanina, wala kaming makitang biscuit. So, napunta kami ng 7-Eleven. May nakita kami yung mga ganito. Pretzel, pizza stick, and then breadstick na garlic parmesan. And then we have Rebisco and feta. Ay! Wala pa pala yung, what do you call this? Yung ating pepper. Yung pepper natin lang. Hindi pa natin na-toast yung pepper. So, yan.
Toast it while I'm mixing.
I-microwave ko na lang kaya.
Toast it na. While I'm still mixing. You always.
Microwave that red pepper. Just try to microwave it. Baka mag-ano. So, nalimot ko yung pepper. So, instead na i-toast, kasi naka-induction kami, hindi namin yung matutusan. Kumuha ko pa ng isa pang kutsara. Malapit nang mamaalam tong kutsara na to. Yung matigas na kutsara lang. Ito the thicker one. Ito na, meron pa itong matigas na kutsara. So, microwave ko na lang yung bell pepper.
This one?
Matigas na ba yan? Okay, ito. Ayan. You need to have a harder spoon kasi baka mamaalam na yung spoon na ginagamit namin.
That
So, you just need to mix this
better.
according do sa napapanood namin sa video. Mix everything together. Incorporate them. Ang bango na ng pepper. Amoy ko na.
Maybe it burned.
Bread? Asa na yung ano natin?
Which one?
This one. So,
I
I
wanna
get the
o-
scissors. Ayun na scissors.
Can I put put it there? Can I
Ako na.
No, no, no. It's cold.
Tapos,
You need to pack.
tigas na siya eh. Pero hindi pa naman siya
Expired.
expired. Kasi 2025 pa yung expiration niya. Dito na lang.
Nah.
There go.
Smells weird.
Because this is a what?
What?
A garlic powder na hindi na powder. Let me cut it again. Ayan, August 1. August 18, 2025 pa siya. May expired. Pero, ewan ko ba sa mga onion powder. Wala na yung laman. Onion and garlic powder. They are easy to stick together. So, kumain na lang natin.
Did you
Don't
wash
worry,
your
I
hands?
wash my hands kasi nga naglalaba ako.
Me too. I wash my hands. Because I made big pet. Diba?
So, yun. Ayaw na pa rin.
You're gonna mix while you're putting them in. Nah. Are you gonna post this on Facebook?
It depends.
On your move?
Yeah. Mix mo na. Ano pa ba inaantay mo?
Nothing.
Mix mo siya
Just gonna
together.
mix.
Para mag-bond
Can't
sila all
see.
together. Then we're gonna put some parsley. Konti lang daw. And also some basil leaf. Parsley and basil leaf.
That's it. Oh my god, it's gonna come out.
And there you go. And I'll check the peppers if they're okay na.
Smells like pasta.
Wait, sorry.
Hey.
Diba okay din naman siya na i-microwave. Mainit! Don't touch it, it's hot. Dalian mo dyan.
I really like doing this, like some bonding. It's like we can do this always, if we can.
So, nakita nyo, pwede rin siyang bonding with the kids. Yung pag-remix. So, I'm just gonna cut these kapag medyo malamig na ng konti yung pepper. Kasi sobrang hot pa siya. Coming directly from the microwave. Pero ang bango.
Yeah, it smells like pasta, something like that, right, Mommy?
There you go. So, mix lang natin tong ating version. Siguro kaya ganito pa siya. Hindi ko pa siya masyadong
There's some melted parts in the side. What if you
hindi
get
ko
it?
siya masyado pang na ano, what you call this one?
Mommy, there's melted the
Hindi
butter.
pa siya masyadong tunaw. Excited na kasi siya na gawin namin to nung pinanood ko sa kanya yung mga videos. So, yun yan. There you go.
It sounds so creamy.
Sounds so creamy. It looks so creamy and so yummy as well. There you go.
Do you like
Just need to
mixing?
mix them all together.
Irma, diba we have like a whisker or some an electric and a
Pag
non-electric?
na natatamad na ako, dadagdag pa yung sa liligpitan.
When Mommy bakes cake every time, I always eat. Am I still gonna mix this?
Mm.
Nah. Do we still need to put this in the fridge after
Yes, we need to mold it and put it in the fridge.
When are we gonna
And
try
later
this?
we can try. So I'm just gonna cut this
So we're
pepper.
still gonna wait for like 1 hour or 20 or 30 minutes.
No, only until it's ready na again.
I washed my hands, guys. So don't judge me.
Don't be a judger.
Don't be judgmental. Because we washed our hands. I like the smell. It smells like something from my childhood, Mommy.
What's that? Kung maka-childhood ka daw, parang ang tanda mo nila.
Something I really don't remember. Now when you're gonna bake a cake,
Cheesecake.
yeah, cheesecake. That. Because before, when I was still a baby, like 4 or 6 or 5 years old, Mommy loves baking. And now I don't know what happened.
That was during pandemic. So these are the peppers, red peppers. I already cut it. So we're just gonna incorporate them
Together.
here
There's some green and there's some red.
Yes.
It's 2 in 1.
It's too hard to get for just the red peppers. So just got the green and the red one, because when I'm watching some of the videos making person, they just use raw peppers, green bell
Super
pepper.
light. Super light.
So at least this
green
one is
pepper.
not only green but also red.
Green and
green,
red.
green
2
and
in
red.
1.
Yes. So let me try.
Tasty.
Tastes good na. Tasty na siya.
We still need to put some parsley or basil leaves on top, right? Mommy?
Medyo natunaw na siya. Mas madali na siyang
I don't want to
ano.
try to mix it when it's melted.
parang gusto ko pa siyang lagyan pa ng konti pang basil leaves and
Parsley.
parsley because
Mommy,
ma-early kami
some of the
maka-
parsley fell.
I'm sorry. And also some more what do you call
Powder.
this? Powder.
Garlic powder.
Garlic powder. Na parang hindi na siya powder. Kasi tumigas na siya. So, para hindi lang siya mag-concentrate in one place. Just gonna try to distribute them. And then, mix again siya. Some people are putting some cheese whiz.
I don't like cheese.
So, even though Sean doesn't like it, we're gonna put some.
I want to try it. I like it.
You like it?
Tastes like cheesecake.
And then, also Parmesan.
I'm
We
gonna-
have Parmesan cheese here.
I'm already gonna mix this with cheese whiz because it's more
yes,
melted.
sige. Also some Parmesan cheese. Yes, we have some. And why not?
Oh
The
my
cheesier, the better.
That's the best cheese.
And
It looks so cheesy.
some are putting... What do you call that one? Some are putting condensed
Honey.
milk. But I'd rather put some honey to make it a bit sweeter. So we have honey here.
No branded honey.
No. Just a few. It's Lang's Pure Honey. That's one. So we're just gonna incorporate everything.
She got the honey when I got sick during pandemic.
No, that's not during pandemic. Although honey is not really You know what's getting spoiled? But that's a new one.
That's a new one.
Okay.
But she used to get me some honey when I'm sick. Because I love honey when I'm sick. Huh? Yeah, I'm mixing everything.
Na-mix mo na? Ako na ulit.
Okay.
Let me mix everything well. Let's just mix this. Mix everything.
I'm gonna
Looks
find a
good na.
cleaner wrap.
Looks good and tempting.
We have cleaner wrap here, right?
Yes, we have clean wrap. Get the clean wrap.
Put it in the stock room. We have honeycomb, Mommy. Honey waffle cone. Is it this one?
It looks yummy now. Yes, this one. And then we need to have, they said, wag na ako na. Enough na. So, ganito na yung itsura niya, guys. Ayan na, oh. Diba? It looks yummy.
It looks so creamy. I just want to eat it. But we still need to mold it.
Ayun, kuha na lang ang pag-molder ng versa. This one lang.
Mm. I like it.
So, just gonna wipe this. Ang malal.
Can I use my phone real quick, even though it's time's up?
Tissue.
Okay.
There you go. Then, clean wrap.
Can I put it inside? What are we gonna do with the leftovers?
There's no leftovers. We're going to,
Put it all in one?
yes, not put it all in one, but we're going to,
I'm gonna make this a little.
nako, pull a bit. Pull some more. Okay, that's enough. Enough. Then we're gonna put a lot of parsley, they said.
Parsley and basil.
Just parsley. And then
Aren't we gonna put
put
basil?
a lot of this in this container.
I should have.
Hindi na nakikita. Ayan. So we're trying to transfer it here. Yung
It
ating
doesn't
version.
fit all in one.
There you go. Kasya nga lang siya.
I think the parsley inside is already in another place.
No, that's not in another place. There you go. So we have the
See, there's
first.
still some leftovers.
Yes, we're still going to
Make another one.
make another one, a smaller version.
It has your fingerprints.
Just trying to cut it.
I think it will fall.
No, it will not fall off. Hold this one. So I'm just going to try to.
Time check. What time?
There you go. We have one Burson cheese.
Can I see?
So we're able to make one.
Time check. It's 6:13.
There you go. So we're gonna put
Can I
this
see?
in
Can I
the
see?
chiller.
Can I see?
Put it in the chiller.
We don't have space in the chiller. Oh, we have.
And then we're gonna make another one.
Yeah, for that
Try to make another one. So I think one whole cream cheese can make two small Burson. with 1 stick of butter. So we're just gonna make another.
Can I put it this time?
Wait lang, Shan. Wait, please. So we're gonna put some more parsley at the bottom. And this time,
It's for Dai Dai.
it's not for Dai Dai, it's for everyone. We're going to put everything now. Hold this first.
Okay.
I am going to get everything
In one.
in this one.
I'm gonna show them the bowl.
Trying to get everything.
Spreading it.
This is a smaller one.
We're gonna give some to the neighbors. Are we?
Hold again. Going to get everything from this
Again.
bowl for the last time. Going to scrape the edges.
And while me, I'm spreading it.
Okay, I think that's it. There you go. So we're going to cut this again and make a smaller version of the person.
I think we need to buy a new scissors because our scissors doesn't even work.
There you go.
There's a hair I saw.
Where?
Oh my
There you
god.
go.
A person with the hair.
Sige, ilaksan mo ba? Okay, we make another one.
And it's flat.
This is the last person. I'm gonna put this in the chiller and then later, you're gonna wait. We're going to try it later.